Are you looking for the best action camera in 2025? Whether you're into extreme sports, travel, or everyday adventures, I've tested the top models so you don't have to. Stay tuned to find out which camera delivers the best performance, features, and value this year. Hit the subscribe button, give a thumbs up or down, and comment below. Which one is best for you? Okay, let's get started. Number 1. DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro. This camera raises the bar with pro-grade 10-bit video and a surprising new pressure sensor that tracks altitude and depth. While GoPro has tried to keep up by copying features like magnetic mounts and lens modifiers, DJI's sensor tech still leads the pack. The 4K stabilized video looks fantastic, and with its larger 1.3-inch sensor, the Osmo Action 5 Pro outperforms GoPro in low light. It's waterproof up to 20 meters without a case and built tough for extreme conditions. DJI's new tracking feature lets the camera follow you digitally, even though it has no moving parts. Plus, combining GPS data with the pressure sensor adds next-level positioning info to your videos. All this at a price lower than GoPro's flagship, making DJI the clear winner in action cameras for 2024. Number 2. Insta360 X5 biggest challenges with action cameras is aiming. What if you could choose the angle afterward? That's the idea behind 360-degree cameras. The Insta360 X5, with its 2 back-to-back lenses, captures everything around you, eliminating the need for a selfie stick. It's rugged too, waterproof deeper than its predecessors, and features user-replaceable lenses and removable lens covers. I love using Insta360's bike mount, placing the camera over the front wheel. The footage looks like I'm riding toward a drone, and GPS data syncs with the phone app to add speed overlays. Insta360's app makes editing easy on the go, with AI-powered tracking and re-aiming. For pros, there's also Mac and Windows software with Final Cut and Premiere plugins. The X5 offers unique angles and creativity that can really set your action footage apart. Number 3. GoPro Hero 11 Black. Though not the newest, the GoPro Hero 11 Black remains a solid choice, especially since the 12 dropped built-in GPS. If you don't need the magnetic mounts or lens mods of the Hero 13, the 11 offers great value. It shoots sharp 5.3K video with excellent hypersmooth 5.0 stabilization and horizon lock, capturing up to 240 frames per second at 2.7K. You can shoot in an 8:7 aspect ratio, perfect for cropping lossless clips for multiple social platforms, or crop to the standard 16:9. The design is familiar, but the software is smoother, and the Quick app has improved. Features like hindsight, live streaming, and webcam mode add versatility. With top-tier stabilization and superb image quality in good light, the Hero 11 Black remains a fantastic option for content creators. Just watch out for GoPro's subscription upsells. Number 4. GoPro Hero 13 Black. GoPro's yearly updates haven't always impressed, and the Hero 12 Black was a letdown, losing built-in GPS without adding much new. The Hero 13 brings GPS back and adds a lens detection system that makes swapping mods easier and smarter. It shoots sharp 5.3K video with a 27-megapixel sensor and an adaptable 8:7 aspect ratio, perfect for creators who reframe for social media. Lens mods include a 21:9 anamorphic coming soon, and a 177-degree ultra-wide option. The 400 FPS slow motion burst is fun, but limited to 720p. The new magnetic mount is reversible, but feels less sturdy than DJI's. You can narrate with wireless earbuds, and features like timecode sync and LUT support help pros. Be aware, GoPro heavily promotes its subscription service, which may not suit everyone. So, which action camera wins in 2025? The GoPro Hero 13 Black takes the crown with unmatched video quality and smart features. Ready to capture your next adventure?